How to do rack focus effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to create a rack focus effect. Click on New button down in Project Panel and select New Adjustment Layer, then click OK with default settings. Now drag the adjustment layer above your video and adjust its duration and position to where you want the effect to happen. Then go to Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop Gaussian Blur effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls. Move the playhead at the start and click on Stopwatch next to Blurriness to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set Blurriness to 100 to create the second keyframe. Move the playhead forward and click on this circle to create the third keyframe with the current value. Move the playhead a little forward and set Blurriness to 0 to create the last keyframe. Move the two last keyframes closer to the two first keyframes if you want the rack focus to last less. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.